pass this guy. I still have yet to decide what the title of this video is going to be called, but what I do know is that it is about 8 o'clock in the morning and we are on our way to the movie theater. Yeah, I think I have an idea that I'm going to make this video kind of like a day in the life. Today is a Saturday. Hopefully going to be able to post this tomorrow, but just figured, why not take you guys along the day with me? First task of the day is we're gonna go see this movie. Gonna go see the F1 movie again. Woo! Can't wait. Now, I will say that I'm actually a little bit upset with the way that I'm seeing it. Not really entirely. I'm seeing it in IMAX, and it's not the way that I wanted to see it. I wanted to see it in 4DX, where the seats move and shit. But I guess they only do that for the launch. Now you can't see it like that anymore. So that really sucks, because that would have been that low key is the way to watch that movie. It's gonna be a very interesting day, because I have no gear on. But it's all good. We're gonna be safe. I'm only doing this because it's a special event. If it wasn't for that, I would have my gear on, but it's all good. As long as we stay safe, not even that big of a deal, you know? I don't even know. If I said it, I said it. If not, I'm just gonna repeat it. I'm gonna go see this movie first, then I'm gonna go to the gym. Then afterwards, that's probably when I go home. I gotta do my real estate shit. I'm on my last topic, so can't wait to get that done and over with. What I am gonna do real quick, just because I don't want this video to be like 40-30 minutes long, especially if I'm gonna do the whole day. I'm just gonna go ahead, kind of just clip it right here, because I'm just gonna be on the highway, you know? I'm just on the highway. There's nothing really big to record. Now, if something does happen, yeah, obviously I'll include it. But I think we are just gonna take a jump shot into the time real quick. Woo! Dude, I was taking off and my fucking wheel came up and oh man, that could have been bad. That's definitely gonna be a random ass clip. Alright, shouldn't have much longer till we get to our first destination. What type of intersection? Oh my god, look at that Beamer. Nice. Oh, that's right, this is it. This is that corner. Whoa. Really hope I'm not late again today. I got 20 minutes. Did I put in the right address? I guess we're gonna find the fuck out. Oh my god! They cut down all the trees! What the fuck? Oh yeah, this is definitely the same area. I remember seeing that dirt. That's right. This is where I was like, oh, we in the city. Dude, we're in the city. Yeah, this is exactly it. Nice! And we not only got here early, we fucking beat the GPS. GPS said we would get there at 8:11 and we got here at 8:04. Alright, now I remember I can't park over there. Let's go park at Target. This time I'll actually show you guys the front, because somebody was curious about oh my god, they have a Yonuts here? What? That's crazy. I thought that shit was only in Cali. That's a cool little area actually. Is that for LA Fitness? Hey yo! I was at the Power Wheelie and then I saw that shit. Yo, this is a sick ass area. Hey yo! Into the Target parking garage we go, just like we did last time. Damn, this shit empty. Alright, let's go ahead, park up, and do a little fit check. So, last time, the fit check didn't go through. Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Anyways, The last time I tried to do a fit check, it didn't really work out, but this is the fit today. If it works, hopefully it does, hopefully it does. So we got our F1 pant, you know, nice and clean, nice and clean. We got our Vans, and then we have our Red Bull shirt, because, you know, Red Bull all the way, baby. Red Bull all the way, yeah. And then if you look on the back, it's actually really sick. So 2023, bro, Red Bull fucking dominated that year. I'm gonna go ahead, end it now, that way I can go in, you know, get some snacks, do all that jumbo, and I'll see you guys after. Maybe I'll insert some clips. Maybe now that I know what to expect, maybe I'll insert some clips. But I'll see y'all guys. Deuces. You know what I forgot to do after getting off my bike? I gotta put my watch on. Oh yeah, now we look official. Let's go. You know what? While I'm here, I might as well see if they have the popcorn bucket. This is the one that I'm talking about. Literally this, but smaller. Definitely too early to be eating popcorn, but whatever. That's good, man. They don't have the F1 ones, but they got Mission Impossible. Fuck it.
I want to get one free, so I think you can get, you can mix and match too.
Actually?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all don't have the helmets, do you? The F1 helmets? That's like the only one that I really want. Right. It's all good. Thank you, though. Thank you.
We have some over there too.
Ah, it's all good. Thank you. Well, y'all don't have the F1 movie helmet bucket? Make my own. IMAX 11. Ooh, let's go, baby. Alright, now trailers and shit should be starting like right now. I think I hear it. Oh, no! I heard Hamilton.
We get the W.
Let's sit. Let's sit back here. Alright, and then this is the bucket that we got. It's supposed to like light up. Come on. That's cool. That's cool. No way. Oh my god, and it's metal? That's pretty lit. That's so cool. Alright, I'm gonna watch the movie now. I'll see you guys when it's over. Alright, back on the bike we are. Dude, you know what's odd? Tell me why seeing that a second time, I enjoy it so much more. Ooh, what are we doing here? I'm glad that I saw this movie early, but damn, I'm getting out of like prime time activity. Oh my god, the SLS! Look at that beauty. This is a field trip. Woo! Look at me, a nice little tan today. Alright, I'll see you with the pimped out Range Rover. Alright, now I gotta get back kind of in YouTube-y mode. Oh, that jump! Dude, I enjoyed the movie so much more. Oh my god. I don't know what it was. That movie was, oh my god, bro. That is hands down my new favorite movie. Oh my god. Oh, I have no words. Just that movie was, oh my god. I dead ass want to get like some screen, something, put it in my background, and just play that movie non-stop when it comes out, because that movie is beautiful. And you know what else is beautiful? This fucking corner. Oh my god. Gorgeous. I love that. Alright, next stop is the gym. I ain't even gonna do it. Oh my god, it's a hurricane! I was gonna cut the video! It's a hurricane! Holy shit! Woo! Just a quick little one? Just a quick little one? No! 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 Oh my god! Oh, this is gonna be clips of me laughing. Alright, I gotta be on this road for like 6 miles, so I'm just gonna cut it, and once we get close to the gym, we'll just do that. I don't want this to be like a 20-minute video, you know? I want this to be like, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. I don't want this to be like a 40-minute, you know, sit down and eat your dinner type of video. I want this to be a type of lunch video. Say yeah, bro. That was fun. See, that's how you do it, man. Do just a quick pull, slow back down. That's it. No dumb swimming, none of that stuff. You know, not needed. It is mad windy, I will admit. I don't know how the camera is picking it up, but I'm gonna clip it now. Do the little glitch transition. Don't know how much longer we got, but I got a feeling that we're close. Ooh, what kind of whip is that? It's a nice, I've never said this before. No, it's just the wheels. I was gonna say, that's a nice ass Elantra. No, the wheels are nice. What the fuck is this guy doing? Ridiculous, man. Thought I heard a cop. I mean, I did just do some dumb shit, but I mean, I was just trying to get away. That's literally the only reason I take off like that. You can see that I'm doing normal speed. And no, it's not because there's a fucking stoplight. I'm sorry. It's not because there's a stoplight. Apologies for swearing. Let me just cut, copy, paste, you know, throw it in the trash, delete. Woo. That's what it pops. I mean, technically you are supposed to stop up here, but I love doing last minute breaks like that. If only you could see the rear light, then you could see how late I did that. Alright, next clip should be me pulling into the parking lot, and then from there I'm gonna get my workout on, and y'all know the deal from there. There's gotta be a gas station around here somewhere. Deal with it after the gym. To the gym we go. Ooh, that was a sloppy right-hander. Oh my god, a Taco Bell. I remember this Taco Bell. It's where I ate on the night that I moved in. Alright, what is going on over here? Alright. I'm gonna get this workout in. Ow. And I will see you guys when I get done. Do the glitch transition. Well, why are you walking there, buddy? You see me fucking turning. See you guys in the frame. Man, what a good workout that was, dude. I'm so ready to go home and just go to sleep. But our day's not done, boys. Day's not done. Well, for you guys, it's pretty much done. For me, it's not. I just realized I'm going the wrong way. Whatever. The question that I have is, do I get gas at this Exxon right here, or get one closer to La Casa? 277? Can't really beat that. That's pretty low. Oh my god, look at the pothole. Jesus. Oh my god, that is the weirdest way I've ever seen you get into a gas station. What the hell? Alright, Apple Pay or physical card? Alright, let's get some gas. I'm gonna make this really fast. Watch this, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, is that a, nope, it's a fucking scooter. Fuck that guy. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's get out of here. Dude, what a day. That was fucking woo. Alright, the next thing for me, now that we're all filled up, you know, I'm kind of getting my head back into the YouTube mode. Next on the list is we're going to get home, and we got some coursework to do. Yep. That's what the rest of the day for us is going to consist of, that and editing this video. At this point, I think from this moment, it's just going to be side comments for real, for real. The movie was, The only thing that I have anything to say about, I tried to make a point about this in my last video, but I kind of sucked at it, so I just cut the whole part out completely. I'm kind of curious to know how the drivers felt when they had to make that movie. Like, for example, if I can find the scene, there's the last race where Sonny Hayes wins. First of all, I had the entire plot all fucked up. I thought Joshua Pierce won. He was going to win, but he got into the crash. Sonny wins, yada yada yada. But they're on the podium, and it's Sonny, Charles Leclerc, and George Russell. Dude, Charles was just, he was just miserable, because he literally just lost the Constructors' Championship. So imagine being told that, and you have to go back out and act. That's like, oof. Should we get a little stoplight launch? Yeah, for the one time. Anytime I see an ambulance, little prayer, hope for whoever they're going to, hope they're okay. I'm left with no words, bro. I don't have anything else to really discuss. Like, I'm trying to think. The F1 movie was great. Kind of said all that can be said about it. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It's really, really good. It's not an ad. I just really love F1, as you can tell by my drip. Alright, that's gonna do it for this one, I think, as we near the end of our venture. Y'all know the drill. As always, stay safe out there. Wear your gear. I know I'm not, but if you do choose to not wear your gear, I just please ask that you are extremely, extremely safe. Other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, Howskies with Towskies. Well, at least I caught it on camera. Hey, yo! I'm driving here. What are you doing? Alright, that's all. It's gonna power wheel for the outro.
Red Bull all the way, baby. Red Bull all the way.
Y'all don't have the F1 movie helmet bucket? Make my own.